Let's continue from where we left off. We want to add some more fields to our tree map visual, but let's first change it to a clustered column chart. In this chart, we can add the total product cost to compare it with the total sales amount field. There are now two bars for each category and a legend above that indicates what each color means. Note that the numerical field has automatically been added under the y-axis section in the Visualizations pane. It would be useful to analyze this plot based on sales territory. In the table view, we can see the fact sales table has a field called Sales Territory Key. We have a dimension table available to us called Dim Sales Territory that holds more information on this key. Let's access this CSV file and load it. In the table view, we see that it's what we're looking for because it contains information about the territories that AdventureWorks serves, allowing us to identify where each sale originated. In the model view, we see that Power BI has already recognized a relationship between the fact sales table and the dim sales territory table based on the column Sales Territory Key, so there's nothing to do here. Back in the report view, we will add a slicer to the canvas by selecting the slicer icon. A slicer allows viewers to filter the visuals based on a field of their choice. We will filter our visuals by the country field. And from the list, we will choose Canada. By clicking on the columns in the column chart, we can filter further on category. Now, let's try out a new visualization, the table. We have to select a blank spot so as not to modify any existing visualizations. Click on the table icon in the visualization pane and let's select a number of fields to go into it, such as group, product, color, list price, and standard cost. Let's rearrange things to look a bit neater. Our selections in the chart and slicer affect the table as well. We can add a title using a text box. We can customize the text and increase the font size so it's clear. Finally, we should rename the page tab so that it matches the title. And now, it's time for you to add to your report.